Sri Ram and Sri Krishna are clearly devatas and clearly avatars in Itihas. They were in human birth. Itihas is something that happened for sure in this loka on planet Earth. Purans are slightly different. Purans deal with Ishta Devata stories. In Shiva Puran, the Vedas come from Shivji. In Vishnu Puran, the Vedas come from Vishnuji. In Devi Bhagavad Puran, Devi is the supreme. All the Devatas come from the Devi. Now, if you insist on calling it history in the sense of history as we understand today, what will you take away from this? Because you can't have multiple truths if you consider it history in that sense. However, if I am a Vaishnava, for me Vishnu is supreme and that is my reality. For a Shaiva, Shiva is supreme. That is the reality. I might still as a Vaishnava accept all Bhagwans, but Vishnu will be my Ishta and that is okay. And I can live with it. And I can live with another person being a Shaiva and considering Shiva as the supreme one. That is mythology. Mythology means belief system of a group of people. And for them it is the truth. But it may not be the truth for some other set of people who don't believe in the same idea. So in that sense, compared to Mahabharata and Ramayana, Purans will definitely fall more in the mythological category when they talk of Mahabharata Ramayana, saying that अरे ये तो हुआ ही नहीं है, ये सिर्फ idea है. नहीं, Mahabharata Ramayana हुआ है. It is our history. It is the story of our ancestors, the real history of our ancestors in this loka, on planet Earth. Whereas the Purans, when we call it mythology, ek to they are happening in a different loka. Even if we consider history, it is not a history of this loka. We are talking about Devasur Sangram. We are talking about स्वर्ग में जो कुछ हुआ है, उनके इधर हुआ है, पाताल लोक में हुआ है, इस लोक पे नहीं हुआ है. Even if you want to consider it history.